Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Let's trace and paint them together. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Let's learn some color names. Green color, orange color, red color, purple color, blue color, yellow color. I for Indian. I for igloo. I is for island, surrounded by sea. J for jam. J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for koala, he's cute and he's brown. L for ladder. L for leaf. L is for lamb, he's prancing around. M for monkey. M for mouse. M is for money, it's best if you save. N for nail. N for nose. N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun.
O for orange.
O
is for olive, it's green and it's black. P for paint. P for popcorn. P is for plates that you dry in a rack. Q for question.
Around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey
Q for
thought 'twas
queen.
all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread.
Q is for question, when you don't know why.
That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
R for radio. R for rake. R is for rainbow, you see in the sky. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.